Place the RAZ Shower Chair box on a workbench and with a sharp knife carefully open one end. Remove the 3 internal boxes and then slide out the main shower chair frame. A selection of Allen keys and spanners are required for assembly. With the main frame on the bench, carefully turn it onto its side with the bottom of the unit facing towards you, ready for fitting the 4 casters, each requiring 1 bolt and spring washer to be tightened with an Allen key. Applying the brake to the individual caster helps align the caster spigot with the bolt hole. When complete, turn each wheel 90 degrees, facing inwards and lock. The whole unit can then be turned over onto the wheels. Take the 2 single bolts out from the base of the backrest and bring the backrest up. The angle can be adjusted as required by aligning the bolt holes in one of 3 positions. Place the single bolts back into the selected holes and tighten the nuts with appropriate tools. The seat can then be installed, so first undo the 2 grey plastic clips on the underside, turn the seat over and push the rear in first, aligning the 2 green plastic guides, ensuring the metal frame hooks are secured over the rear of the frame. Secure the grey clips at the front of the seat around the seat tubes. The process is seen here again, making sure the 2 front grey clips are closed securely. Optional items, plus the headrest and footrests, can now be installed. Each footrest slots easily into place. And by removing the green circular clip on each footrest, the height can be adjusted accordingly, replacing the green clip to lock it into place. With the shower chair now on the floor, the headrest support rod can be installed and tightened by hand. The headrest is installed. The height can be adjusted. Fore and aft positions adjusted. And undoing the 3 Allen key bolts allows the headrest angle to be positioned for user comfort. After which the 3 bolts are tightened again. The headrest shape can be moulded for maximum user comfort, with all adjustments easily changed at any one time. The chair is now ready for use.